Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. I will discuss about medicinal importance of echinacea. The Prophet ﷺ said, "There is no disease that Allah has created except that He also has created its treatment." When I make documentary, I have recognized the importance of echinacea. Basically, echinacea is a herb. It is a purple colored cornflower belong to the sunflower family Asteraceae. Echinacea is a member of phylum Spermatophyta, its family Asteraceae. There are more than 10 species of echinacea. The 7 is Echinacea is a perennial herb that grew to a mature size between 12 to 36 inches wide and up to 4 feet tall. The size depends on the variety. Plants have an upright habit with large flower, with cone-shaped center borne on tall, straight stalk. Habitats include open woodland edges and clearings, moist to massive black land, limestone glades, and roadsides. Echinacea is a native of Central Eastern North America. This map shows native ranges as well as introduced ranges of the species. The light green shows presence in country and native. Medicinal properties derived from plants part. The different parts of plant can contain different active ingredients within one plant. Echinacea plant have contain acrylamides, caffeic acid, polysaccharides, and glycoproteins with stimulating effects on the immune system. Essential oil, volatile oils, vitamin and minerals. Increasing in value day by day. Echinacea is used widely today as an herbal remedy. It is used for painkiller, boosts the immune system, can reduce symptoms of infections, especially common cold. Some studies do show benefit of using echinacea for upper respiratory infection. It is also used antiseptic, antibiotic, antiviral, mouthwash, improve white blood count. Present study encompasses the advantages of using the plant in further researches and their medicinal value and its pharmacological actions of echinacea. Echinacea is adaptable in the garden and drought tolerant once established. It grows well in fertile, wet-drying, on average garden soil, as well as in rocky and clay soil. Echinacea plant make a terrific addition to rain gardens or butterfly gardens. Butterflies can resist the nectar-rich blooms after flower, fat and seed ripen. Birds flock to garden to feast on echinacea seed. Echinacea is natural types community associated with many plants. It has been used to treat many different ailments. Traditional uses of this plant are centered around its anti-inflammatory properties, regardless of the location. It is used to decay cough, cold, sore throat, painkiller, snake bite, mosquito bite. All parts of plants are used fresh and dry both. The flower is used to make herbal tea with lemon for taste to help boost the immune system. This herbal is historically used as a cure for cold infections. One Native Americans use for varieties of treatments. It also used for beautifications of garden with hybrid different species show different colors. That's it all about my documentary. Thanks for watching.